Bless up, big up, hail massive, all day, every day. Today, we're going to talk about how to pay your JPS bill online. Money management is one of the key topics that we cover on this channel because we need to ensure that your expenses are current and everything is paid on time. Let me just walk you through the steps as to how to pay your JPS bill online. Let's first go to Google and type in Pay JPS Bill Online. When you type that, you're going to see this page pop up. So, let's click on Payment and Billing. We're then brought to this website. I'm just going to scroll down. We will now need to click on the My JPS link. When we click on that, it'll carry us to this page. Now, you'll have to enter your email address. For persons who don't have an account, you'll be required to sign up. So let's just sign up and show you what the process looks like. Here, you would have to enter all of the required information: the name, mobile, and email address. When we confirm the email address, an email is sent to your inbox for you to confirm the registration. That's the notification in this little green box. We'll just go to the email address submitted, locate the email sent by JPS. Then we're going to click on the link that says Complete Registration. Once you do that, you'll get confirmation that the registration is successful. We'll now head back to the JPS site. We'll just type in our email address, put in my password. Once you're signed in, a display window will show all the account records linked to your email address. From here, we click Register. Once registered, we're then sent to our profile page, which provides details on our account. Since our online account is up, I'm going to show you how to pay your bill. So, what you're looking at right now is my outstanding bill. My last payment would have been September 26th. I'm not sure why there's a balance of $272. This is a little strange because I'm pretty sure I paid my balance in full. No worries, JPS is the most trusted company in Jamaica, so I'll let it slide. Let's just hit the Pay Bill button. A summary window will now pop up on your screen asking whether you're planning to pay in full or partial payment. Let's just keep the Pay in Full option and go ahead and click Pay Bill. Now, the credit card page will pop up. You will then have to enter your credit card information in order to process the payment. From here, all you'd have to do is hit Submit and stare at the screen until your payment is processed. If you see a message requesting that you need to contact your bank, make sure to watch my video on how to get out of credit card debt fast. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button. I'm Mr. MT from Make Real Money Tips, and I'm out.